Take authentic espresso experience home with Stilosa. Brew lattes, cappuccinos and espressos in a comfort of your home. Contemporary and compact design, the perfect addition to your modern kitchen countertop, without taking up too much space, plus it's easy to clean. 15-bar pump, the optimal pressure to extract a single or double espresso, so your coffee drink comes out perfectly rich. Manual milk frother, texture your milk with ease to create an authentic cappuccino, latte or flat white. Stainless steel boiler, robust design, durable construction of this boiler is engineered to last longer and work for years with consistent performance. Includes portafilter and 2 filters. An ergonomically designed portafilter has 2 filters for single or double espresso. 2-level cup holder allows you to use a variety of cup sizes so you can have as much, or as little, espresso as you'd like. Included components, accessories included, portafilter, measuring scoop/tamper, single double pod filter. Top reviews from the United States. No digital stuff to go wrong. This is a nice machine. All manual, which is what I like. Who needs digital readouts on a coffee machine? Turn the knob, wait for the green light, turn the knob one more click and coffee comes out. Hot and very smooth flavor. No bitterness. My wife and I are ruined on drip coffee machines now. We take this when we travel because it is small and light. 6 mo's now and no issues. The steamer is equally easy. Hot foamy milk and my wife has to have hot coffee. Me, not so much, but she loves this machine. She is not tech savvy, but once she got the hang of this she has no problem making espresso on her own.